Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to extract a WordPress zip file on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to you, the WordPress websites that you have the WordPress zip file on, click on Dashboard. Now go to Files and select File Manager. Click on Access Files of your website name. Just like that, a new page will open up. Don't worry, this is just the File Manager app on Hostinger. Double click this public HTML folder. And as you see, here I have my WordPress zip file that I want to extract. Here to extract it, it's simple. Just click on it using the right button of your mouse and select Extract. Here, name your folder. For example, I will call it unzip, and it will be created inside my public HTML folder. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. And it will be created inside my public HTML folder. Click on Extract, and just like that, all of my extracted files from this compressed file are inside this unzip file. Now let's check it, double click it, and as you see, these are my WordPress files. Now, if you want to move those extracted files or extracted WordPress files to the public HTML folder, it's simple. Just click on the first folder or file like that, then scroll down to the bottom, and before clicking on the last file or folder, hold the shift button on your keyboard. And just like that, after holding or while holding the shift button, select the last file. This way you will select all the files in this list. Now click on one of them using the right button of your mouse and select Move File. Now my extracted files are inside this unzip folder, and I want to move them inside this public HTML folder. So I need to double click this first folder like that. And just like that, I am now inside the public HTML. So if I click on Move, all my files will be moved inside this public HTML folder. And just like that, I am now inside the public HTML folder, and these are my WordPress website files. For sure, you can delete this empty unzip folder where I've extracted my compressed or my zip WordPress file, and you can also delete this compressed file. So here, instead of holding shift, I will click on Command if you are on a Mac, or Control if you are on a PC. This way you can select multiple files and you can delete them just like that. You can skip trash bin and delete immediately. Yes, this is what I want. And just like that, now all I can see are the WordPress extracted files. And this is how to extract a WordPress zip file in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.